guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Claire and today's video is going to be a very quick and sweet mini tutorial on how to make your own oat milk. I use oat milk pretty much every single day. I pour that in my coffee, my hot chocolate, my smoothies, my baking, my cooking, so I go through these a lot. My favorite brands are Oatly, Real Health, and another brand which is called La Familia, which is Italian I think so, and it's delicious. But I ran out of these today, so I thought, why not make my own? A few years ago I was this girl who was swearing by rice milk, but I changed my mind and now I switch it up with oat milk because I feel like the taste of oat milk is less stronger than rice milk, so it fits really well with your coffee or even into baking. It's not as strong as rice milk, so now I would definitely say that oat milk is my favorite plant-based milk. The first ingredient you will need to make your own oat milk is obviously some oats. So I'm using gluten-free oats. You can use regular ones as well, just use whatever you prefer. Then you will need a pinch of Himalayan sea salt, a bit of cinnamon because I like to add cinnamon to my plant-based milk, and to sweeten that a little bit I love to use dates, so I just use one medjool date and that's just it. We're gonna pour about 1 cup of oats. Just gonna add 2 cups of water. Now I'm going to add a bit of salt. For the cinnamon, I add about half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Now I'm going to blend that up, so just make sure your blender is powerful enough to blend on a high speed. Now that it's blended, we're just gonna strain it. So you can use a nut milk bag. I personally don't really use it because I feel like it can really get messy. I use like a really fine mesh strainer instead, but just use whatever you have at home. You're just gonna strain the oat milk. With the leftover or the pulp of the oats, you can totally keep it and make like oat cookies or oat crackers. Once you did that, you're gonna just strain it over again until it gets like a really liquidy consistency with no pulp in it. I usually use mason jar because it's kind of airtight, so it's perfect for storing milk. But for today, I'm just gonna use this cute bottle. Alright, here you have it, your own homemade oat milk with no nasty ingredients, nothing except oats and spices and a bit of date. And I promise you, it's a game changer in your coffee, in your baking. It just took me 5 minutes to make, so it's super easy, minimal ingredients. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this kind of mini tutorial video, and if you do make your own oat milk, please don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. I would love to see you remake this. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more of these kind of mini tutorial recipes. I would love to film that for you. Give this video a big like if you did enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss anything, and I'll see you in the next video.